There we go. Wannabe gangster shows up in front of police, fails miserably.
Why did he think it was okay to intimidate his girlfriend in front of the police?
You guys live
That was it? That was the shortest intro to a body cam I've ever seen.
together?
I'll be at Quail on Bridge.
I can't report. He gotta go.
Copy 4, Quail on Bridge.
He wants him out.
Does he have a firearm in there?
Huh?
Does he have a firearm in there?
A what?
Firearm, a gun.
I don't think he do. But he gotta go. He kicked my door in last night.
What's his name?
Dedrick.
Dedrick!
That door
Is it locked up top?
He kicked it in.
Okay, well, do you want us to get in there?
You got the key?
No, my daughter got the key.
She looks like the officer looks like she's done this 5 times today.
Is anybody else in the household?
No, I made my kids leave.
Okay. All right. Is there a back door?
Yeah.
Jesus.
I'm tired of him. I try to be civilized for our child, but it's just too much drama. He's the devil, and I don't got time for it. This was just before I caught y'all.
What did he do?
I had my daughter leave.
That's what to be safe. That's a man. You ain't running around this bitch.
Maybe he need to go to jail so he can wake up, because I don't got time for it. I really don't. I broke my landlord's door, like, I'm tired
You
of it.
can't
Like,
even get in.
no.
Where's your daughter at? Can she bring the key?
Yeah, she got my key, but it's metal locks on the inside of the door.
And he doesn't stay here with you?
No,
Okay. He's not on the lease or nothing?
no.
Can you call him to open the door?
Yeah, I'm calling you right now.
Did he get physical with you all?
So
He was
he's
throwing rocks
waiting.
and stuff at me,
Oh,
but
he comes
he
in.
just keep making threats to me. Like, I don't got time for that. I don't. Like, I just had a baby. I really don't have time for that. I don't know what he did last night. He came over here, kicked my door in at 5 o'clock in the morning. Like, I'm tired of that shit.
Give me away from this before I smoke her.
I'm tired. He kicked my door in.
Hey, I gotta get my shit out of her house. Come on, come man with me. Come on.
Hold on.
I'm tired of this. Keep calling the police on me, bro.
Okay, all right.
Hey, I don't do none of this. We can do whatever. I'm just saying. Quit calling the police on me, you stupid ass bitch. Now you ain't gonna have no baby dad, you dumb ass bitch.
Oh, well.
Is you dumb? Like, okay, but I'm trying to get out of her house. Look, I'm at her house. I have shit in there.
Hold on, stop. You don't run
Yeah, dude,
nothing
it's
around
her.
here.
I don't.
Relax.
Okay, I know I don't, but it's her house, right?
You
But come to my house with that shit, though.
Quiet. Come out the
Right.
house. You come out the house making threats. We can arrest you directly for
Yeah.
that threat you just made when you came out the door. You understand?
Yeah, but why did you keep calling the police on me for no
No,
fucking
it
reason,
doesn't
bro?
matter.
When I'm trying to get the fuck away from you.
Step down here.
No, it's like you.
Step down here and tell me the
I
side of the
know,
story.
I know. Look,
No, tell me the side of the story. Come down here.
I'm at her house. She keep fucking with me. Her and her kids pulling out knives, all type
So
of
why
shit,
would
bro.
you even come here?
Because I'm stuck. My car at her uncle's house, everything. I can't get away from this bitch.
Anything is better than jail, brother.
I'd rather go there than a motherfucker keep playing with me with the police, bro. Come on, now. I'll put that on my dead granny. I'll crash out. And I'll put that on my dead granny. On camera, nigga, I swear to God, I'll crash out.
crash out and do
Is it
what?
worth it for real? Ask that.
You crash
Is
out
it
and do
worth
what?
it? If it's worth it for real, yeah. When I do that for real, yeah, I swear to God, I don't give a how anybody want to act tough. Oh God, yeah, I'll do that for
How is he showing?
real. I swear to God, I do.
Man, put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
So what?
Put your hands behind your back. All right? We just detained you. We just detained
I
you.
know that's what she wants.
We just detained you. Put your hands behind your back.
Damn, why y'all leave? Why y'all talking this?
You making it.
I'm not even
Making this hard, man.
excuse me, ma'am. I'm not even pressing no muscle in my bones.
We
So why
said
they
face the other way.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
all you have
Face
to
the other
do.
way
This is
and put
kind
your
of
hands
boring.
behind your
I'm just saying, look how
I'm
calm my
gonna-
arms is, and why y'all grabbing me like that though?
Because you not listening.
When you move your body this way, then your
Right,
hands
but y'all don't listen to me though, right? But y'all the law, y'all supposed to help people, right? But I'm at this house and y'all not helping me.
Turn that way.
Bro, you acting so tough, my.
I don't like.
Why
Just
you
listen.
grabbing me by my new hoodie though?
Turn that
Yeah,
way.
That's
really nice hoodie. That's the
y'all
only
supposed to
thing
be black and shit.
Dude, it's so fucking laggy. This kills me. It's not fucking
But look,
working.
look what y'all do to black people, bro. Y'all not helping us on baby mama situations. Y'all are not here to help me, bro. That's corny, bro.
Come on,
That shit corny. She's stealing shit from me, bro. My shit in there.
Dude, they're trying to tell you what you need to do and help you. They're really trying hard to help him in this situation, and he's sucking ass. He's not doing a good job.
Bro,
Relax.
if I open it, I swear to God, I should never open the door.
Oh my God, man.
Oh, bro.
You
Bro,
probably
just trying
shouldn't
to
have opened
me
the
up
door.
inside, bro. Like, that's corny, man. That's really corny.
Hey, man.
And don't nobody need to touch me out in the streets but y'all type shit.
Threatening her.
Ain't nobody gonna do shit to me but y'all. I'm scared of y'all. Okay?
That was a calmer approach to the situation.
No, that's
man.
corny, my dude.
I can get.
That's corny, bro.
We not even putting you back in cruiser.
No, cause y'all ain't even trying to hear me,
Nothing's
bro.
gonna happen.
We are trying
I'm trying to get the out of her house, bro. I ain't touched nothing.
A message to him threatening me. So
Well, he
my baby,
threatened
all type of shit.
you in front of the officer.
Can you show me those?
Yeah.
What a boring ass video.
Ask her what she did to me.
Are you gonna listen to us now?
Yeah, I hear y'all. It's real. Y'all know me for real. My name well known.
No, I don't.
I understand. But
You got going on. Yeah.
You gonna my car up? I don't.
Curse. You're
Go
really
to
getting
where I'm
low
at.
today.
You always coming to be obsessed with me though. I don't do that at your house.
So she played.
I ain't have to open the door though.
So she
You gotta think.
Dude,
That
this
would
is
never
so
got in there, right?
fucking
I came
boring.
out on some. I came out.
And it's
I'm trying to help you out in the situation. So if we
this is the
can
only one.
give you a ride somewhere to get you away from here, that way you can get your belongings. You get your belongings and you can get to your vehicle where you need to go. But I think you.
What a shit video. Too.
You're under arrest for domestic violence.
Literally
Menacing.
fucking.
So you will be going to jail. All right.
Bro, you know that is. You just gave me an option to get out her way, bro, and I was, dude.
Listen,
Man.
Okay, we passed that point.
And then he just gets arrested.
Do you want her to hold?
What
Hold
a
anything.
fucking boring video. Oh my god. And Wannabe Gangster, I feel like that's almost like baiting with the title. I mean, that was horrible. That might be the worst body cam video I've ever seen. Ever. Like why even post that? But I can't with the lag. It ruins the whole thing for me. And then it ruins the recording as well. So I'm just gonna record not on stream then and post it later until I have a different way to do this. Cause my computer is going to explode every time and it just doesn't work. So I'll figure something out though. Thank you for anyone that had to witness that awful shit.